How do you think about data storytelling?
The thing that I hear a lot when people talk about data storytelling, which has become a big buzzword in the industry, is a lot of people feel reluctant to lean into that because it sounds the idea of data storytelling, the word storytelling within that evokes images of movies and fictional things and something that's not really relevant to the technical space. But I would argue that it's not actually the stories themselves that are applicable to our technical world, but it's the narrative structures within those stories that we can use within our communications and presentations. So, for example, any classic archetypal story will have the main character within a context at the beginning, the original world. And this is the classic hero's journey archetype. So they're in the original world. Things are okay. Then something changes the status quo. And suddenly they realize they need to go somewhere else to learn something new. And over the course of different trials and tribulations, a lot of tension and resolution, they eventually become a stronger character at the end that has learned through their journey and now can implement it and teach others about it. So that device of context, then some kind of climax and the conclusion, that three-step arc, that is the centerpiece of any kind of presentation or communication. So if you're giving a business presentation about some data you analyzed, first talk about the context. What's the original world that we're in? How are things in the business right now or in the past? Then build up to your major insight that you want to convey. This is the problem that we need to resolve. And then at the conclusion, you'd say what action we can take to resolve that problem. So if you incorporate that systematic sequence of tension and resolution and how we can learn from our past experiences, that is the key to engaging someone in your communications.